In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Excalidraw and Obsidian. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go here into Excalidraw and click on the settings icon here at the bottom. And now you want to go into community plugins because we would need to turn this on in order for us to be able to use Excalidraw. Click on turn on community plugins. And from here, you would want to go into community plugins now, click on browse. And then here, you want to search for community plugins called Excalidraw, which is this one actually. But if you don't see it right away, then you can just search for Excalidraw and just go for this one. So you can see by the amount of downloads. So it should be millions. And from here, you want to click on install. And now it's installing the plugin, as you can see right here in the top right. And then it's now installed, as you could see. And from here, you want to click on enable. You want to make sure that it is enabled. And then we're going to click here on close. Right here, there is a welcome pop-up right there. And then let's close it. And then we should now have the Excalidraw here on our toolbar on the left side. So we can click on Excalidraw icon. And from here, we can now start drawing or using Excalidraw. So right here, as you can see, there is a note right here that you can actually use Excalidraw here in the command palette. So click here. And then you will now be able to search for Excalidraw command in here, Excalidraw. You could export image, frame in the settings, insert file, and many more. So you could find that right here. But yeah, that is basically it on how you'd be able to use it. All that's left now is to just create whatever you'd want in here. Use Excalidraw as normally as you would on the website itself. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.